ka-pips. It's Saturday, 11:20 a.m. Pupunta tayo nandito tayo sa may Harajuku. Specifically yung Takeshita Dori, yung famous street sa Harajuku wherein nandun yung mga may food strips, may mga cafes, and of course may mga clothing shop na kilala or vintage shop na meron sila. So explore natin tong street na to, and then we will try to take lunch na rin within the area. Okay? Yung mga souvenir shops. Oh, gacha machines. Jujutsu Kaisen. Uy, famous Umaibo. This one is 300 yen. And ito yung parang lumpia na snack sa Pinas. Umaibo. Natin ko ano? Yan o. Oh, cute. Nice one. Disney corner. So, Funny Time, Toy Story. Ito, Lion King. Popular na to. Ano, kada isang tunog lang siya? Hindi, I mean, kada isang item nga, isang tunog lang. Sige, go, tara.
400.
Magkano?
400 yen.
Naka-tape pa. Yan. Yellow. Ano kaya ang tunog nito?
I think so. Feeling ko same daw.
Isang tunog lang, na-color lang ano. Stop. Saying stop. Tumarimas.
This is 500 yen. You have it.
Nice one. Ito po, is this the one you want, Kobe?
Here.
Madali, try it.
Or this one. I like this one more pala. Saka lang uda.
black one. This.
Ayan, and then i-assemble pa.
Oo. Ay, keep it na lang muna.
So just keep it, do it later. Oh, tara try natin to. Gusto ko si Pumbaa. Si Pumbaa o kaya si Timon. Ito or kaya ito ang gusto natin. So let's see. Magkano ba ito? Ha?
400.
Ah, 400.
Dami, be.
Ay,
Feeling ko fail. Si Simba. Simba nga ba? Si Nara pa nga ata. Si Nara ba yan? Sira. Bad trip. Show ka na ng gacha. Hindi yung gusto ko lang kukuha ko. I hate it. Tara, let's explore more. Gacha na naman, kakasabi ko lang ayoko. Game, sige. Let's go, sige, move. Dito, ikaw mag-turn. Gusto ko yung ito, yung B. Okay, ito. Get it. Go! Red?
red. A.
Ah, eh, okay. I'll take it. I'll take it. Wait, let's see.
Open ko.
Hindi na. Oh, angels. Nice one. It's lunchtime. Peppa Pips, let's go to Korra. Okay, good day mga Peppa Pips. Today is another day. It's pretty much our free day today. Pero tatry lang namin puntaan yung isang scene from an anime movie. Yung Kimi no Nawa dito sa Shinjuku. So, we're on the way. And ngayon nasa subway kami from Oshiage Station to Yotsuya Sanshome. So, according to Google, Yotsuya Sanshome is yung closest station doon sa shrine, mismong scene kung saan kinuha yung isang anime, scene siya from an anime movie. So, yan, try natin puntahan ngayon. Sana hindi tayo maligaw, pero mukhang accurate naman si Google. Okay? So we will try to go there and then balitaan ko kayo pag exciting pa. Alright, so dito na tayo sa may Yotsuya and we're now currently walking papunta dun nga sa scene ng ng Kimi no Nawa. there. Hey guys, so nandito na tayo. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, just check it. Ito rin yung scene from where naging soundtrack yung Radwimps na kanta, yung Nandemonaya. Alright, so let me show you the top view, exactly where the scene was taken. Yeah. You can check it online. You can kahit sa YouTube, Kimi no Na wa. And then actually yung stairs na yan is going straight to Suga Shrine. Kaya if you're trying to go here, search nyo lang yung Suga Shrine and eto na mismo yan, dito na mismo sa lugar.
The next station is Shibuya.
Mommy, the panda, a panda.
Obi,
Yeah, hi. Hello, everybody. We are currently...
tired?
No, not really, but we are currently in Shibuya. And I think this is the Shibuya crossing. I don't know. What?
Ah,
Hi.